Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is PJ. As you know, in this channel we used to drop analysis on boom and crash and step index. And also guys, if you're watching my channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next I drop my next video. And also you can join our telegram group for mentorship and for guide. So guys, today I'm going to update you on a video I make last on technical analysis on boom 1000 1 hour time frames. I'm going to show you the result of it out so far. So I make the video on technical analysis on boom crash 1000 with my powerful indicator. This is the video. You see, I make the video on 8th of this April, and currently now is having about like 272 views. And on this video I help you guys to draw out a technical analysis so that you guys can what can view the chart very well, and also with my powerful indicator which I use to predict and to see what is going to happen in the market next. You see guys, inside this video I make this is the video I make on the 8th of April, and I told you guys how I analyzed this video. And you see, I point out every support and resistance zone. And guys, let's see what the outcome of the result is. So I told you guys that during this particular moment that we are going to be having a pullback here, which I said in the video that we are going to be finding our trade here, which the indicator helped me to understand that our trade is coming to this particular side. So guys, let me tell you the result of it now. You see, this is our analysis on 1 hour time frames which we identify, and this is the last zone that we discuss about. And guys, immediately the trade reached that particular zone, it begin to spike up to this moment. And guys, let me show you exactly how it look like in 15-minute time frames that I told you guys to always take your trade. You know, I always advise people to take their trade on 5-minute time frames, and I always told them to take their trade on 5-minute time frames and 15-minute time frames. You see guys, exactly, you see the trade come down a little bit, and it begin to take up the what it begin to take up the spike up to this particular moment. You see guys, this is the secret of that indicator. It always help you to see what is going to happen in the next trade. So guys, today we are going to be checking the analysis again so that we can also see how this powerful indicator works. So guys, this is 1 hour time frames. We are going to use boom 1000. So I'm going to make another video on boom 500 and crash index for audience that like to take their trade on crash. So guys, we have already find our entry here. I told you guys, when you are taking up your trend line, you need to identify each zone, like this particular zone where they were joining together as this zone. You see, you need to identify it out. When you identify it out, make it a support again, because you are going to be having some trade that is going to fall under that particular zone, and there's going to be a rejection on that zone. You see, like this, when the trade take up a spike entry up to this moment, there's a pullback here. So let's draw this one out also. You see, guys, you see exactly what I'm telling you guys. There's going to be a rejection at that particular zone. You see, that particular day when I analyzed for you guys that the trade is going on an uptrend, I know that we only have two support area here. This is the resistance and the support zone here. I know that when the trade starts taking up the spike, the only place you have to start its rejection is about this area. So that's why the trade is having the ability to reach this area, and before it take up, it sell down to this particular zone. So when it get to this particular zone, it take up, there's a little rejection here, which you see now. Let me zoom in so that you guys can see very well. You see there's a little rejection here before it's gain the enough strength to break down this particular zone. So we are going to be marking this particular zone, and because we can find another entry here, we can find another support level at this area. So let's mark that particular area so that we can identify that particular zone also as our support, because we can see that there is a rejection zone in that area. So guys, we have the clear view now. We have the clear view now. We have the clear view now. We have the clear view of the chart now. So I'm going to also show you the indicator in this video also, so that you also can check it out, so that you can have it, so that you can get it. It is something that you can get. You can get the lifetime license, and you can have access to it. You just join our Telegram group. So once you join our Telegram group, you can have access to the indicator, but it's not free. Let me tell you guys, it's not free. You see, we have our support zone at this particular place, and it keep on taking up a uptrend, and before it reaching this particular level, it set down and it keep on giving us a spike. You see, it's going to be respecting this particular move now, but currently now we know that the trade is between this particular zone and this particular zone. So what we are going to be watching for the market next now we don't know. It is either two things that are going to happen in the market. Let me draw this one very well so that you guys can see. I don't know why this is giving me an issue. I don't know why. Okay, so let me just okay, it's still giving me the same issue. Okay, let me just, we are going, so if you are drawing this same pattern with yours, just draw it to this particular zone and have it here. So let's check the indicator and see what exactly are we talking about here. This is the indicator. This is, we are in boom 1001 minute time frame. So we have the indicator. This is exactly the time that the last time I make a video on this boom 1000, that I told you guys that we are going to be having a uptrend move. So this indicator indicates to me at this particular moment that we are going to be having a uptrend move, and you see it respect that particular level before it give me another, maybe it give me another downtrend here. But the downtrend has already moved before. But currently now we are having a uptrend. So currently now we are having a uptrend. It has already begin at this particular level. You see, it has already begin at this particular level. Currently now we are still going to be having an uptrend for some times. So let's see what is going to happen in the market. So let's see the market now. We know for sure that the market is going on an uptrend. So we don't know, maybe it's going to stop at this level, or it's going to stop at this level, but we are very sure that the market is not breaking this particular zone according to the indicator. You see guys, so according to indicator, it's not giving out a breakout at the down trend. So it's giving us a uptrend. It's giving us a uptrend. So what we don't know now is that maybe it's going to stop at at this particular level, or it's going to stop at this particular level. But one thing that we are very very sure of is that we are having a uptrend. So let's go to 15-minute time frames and see what exactly how the charts look like in 15-minute time frames. So this is 15-minute time frames. Let me take up the zoom so that you guys can see very well. So we have the same look at this particular why this is giving me much. Okay, let me hold the mouse back. So guys, so this is exactly how it look like when it comes to 15-minute time frames. This is the trade that we take the other times, and when we come to our 15-minute time frames, this is exactly what we are going to be having on 15-minute time frames. We see we have a downtrend from this level, reaching this particular zone, and keep on spiking up a little bit. And from this particular zone, it gives us a downtrend also, which it's respect this particular support, but it later break it, come to this level, then give us a uptrend. So let's see something that we can easily identify at this particular zone. You see, you can identify something at this particular area. You can identify something at this particular area. So you can identify something at this particular area. You see, that's a okay. Let's take that. So let's take another move also. We're going to be taking another move. Let's check this area also. You see we are having that particular area, we are having that particular zone, and also let's check that. So guys, let's try to draw this on a what on a uptrend very well so that you guys can see. You see we have a downtrend at this particular, and it keep on spiking up, respect this particular level, and it give us a downtrend now, and it give us, according to the indicator, I told you guys that the uptrend have already start from this move. You see it's indicated from the indicator that the uptrend have already start from this move. So that is on 1 hour time frame. So if we go and check 1 hour time frame, it's going to fall on this particular move. So if you identify that, and you can easily have access to the indicator, and you note this particular area, you can easily to take up your trade there and take your profits. And from this particular zone, give us another downtrend, and from this downtrend it break it up to this level. So now what the indicator is telling us from this level down is that we are going to be having a uptrend. So guys, don't worry, I'm going to make another video when this particular thing has respected. So I'm going to make another video on that. So I'm going to be marking that particular area. I'm going to mark that area very well so that you guys can see it the next time I'm dropping my next video, so that you can easily identify that particular zone. So from now we are going to see maybe the trade is going to respect this level, or is going to respect this level. You see, so we are having two levels now that we are expecting our trade now to move to that particular area. Maybe it's going to be spiking up to reach some level here before go down, but all is going to be moving around this particular area. So don't forget to spot out every resistance zone that you meet here. So as I always tell you guys, you can easily mark it out, for you to identify the next move of the trade. You can easily mark it out, and when you mark it out, guys, we are having another one at this particular zone. Okay, sorry for that. So we are going to be marking another one out from this zone. You see we have another one at this area. So guys, so let's check out the next video and see what the outcome will be with this powerful indicator, guys. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel, and you can also like and comment on this video, and also you can also join our Telegram group for a mentorship for guys, and for more updates on boom and crash. Thanks.